Hi there, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Alex. I'm Sarah. Pleasure to meet you too.
Have you lived in this city for long?
No, I just moved here a few months ago for work.
Oh, what do you do for a living?
I work as a marketing manager at a tech company.
Do you want to grab a coffee sometime?
That sounds great, Alex. I'd love to.
How about this Saturday at the new cafe downtown?
Perfect. Let's meet there at 10 a.m.
I'll pick you up at your place.
Thanks, but I prefer to meet you there.
Alright, we can meet at the cafe then.
Sure.
The coffee here is really good, isn't it?
Yes, it's delicious. I'm glad you suggested it.
By the way, have you tried their pastries?
No, not yet. I'll have to try one next time.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading, hiking, and painting.
Hiking sounds fun. Do you go often?
I try to go at least once a month.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to several European countries.
That's impressive. Which one was your favorite?
I loved Italy. The food and culture were amazing.
How's your job at the tech company going?
It's challenging, but I'm learning a lot.
Do you have any long-term career goals?
Yes, I hope to become a senior manager someday.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Ideally, I'd like to start my own business.
That's ambitious. What kind of business?
I'm thinking of a boutique coffee shop.
It's been great getting to know you, Sarah.
Likewise, Alex. Let's do this again soon.
Definitely, I'll text you and we can plan another meet-up.
Sounds good. Looking forward to it.